Hello, this is lecture 4, BSc 4th sem, Maths 1, Unit 2, Vector Calculus 2, by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So in continuation of the previous lecture 3, whereas now lecture 4, a few problems we completed in lecture 3. Now let us see a few more problems in lecture 4. Right. But 4 problems were completed in lecture 3. Now the 5th problem, problem 5. Prove that del of log r is equal to 1 by r square r bar r is equal to r cap by r. Let us see its solution. Let r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and mod r bar is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square, and r cap is equal to r bar divided by mod r bar, that is equal to r bar divided by r. Next, we have dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, comma dou r by dou y is equal to y by r, comma dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Now del of log r is equal to I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z of log r is equal to I bar dou by dou x of log r plus j bar dou by dou y of log r plus k bar dou by dou z of log r. As I am applying this log r to each of the bracket is equal to I bar into log r differentiation is 1 by r into, again r can be differentiate dou r by dou x, plus similarly j bar into 1 by r dou r by dou y plus k bar into 1 by r dou r by dou z is equal to, so in all these 1 by r is common, so that I bar into dou r by dou x value is x by r plus j bar into y by r plus k bar into z by r. Again r can be taken outside. 1 by r square into xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar is equal to 1 by r square into r bar. This is equal to, this is the answer itself, because we have 1 by r square is equal to r bar. R is equal to 1 by r into r bar by r. This is equal to 1 by r into r cap. That is 1 by r into r cap. That is r bar divided by mod r or r. Here it is there, this value. So that r bar by r is nothing but r cap. So sixth problem in order. Sixth problem. In first problem, if phi of x comma y comma z, phi of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square, then find del phi at 1 comma 1 comma 1. Del phi or grad phi, both are same. The solution is given. Phi is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Next, grad phi is equal to del phi is equal to I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z of phi is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, when applied to the x square plus y square plus z square, 2 I bar into dou by dou x, so that it will be I bar into dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square, it is 2x, plus j bar into, with respect to y differentiation, is 2y plus k bar into 2z is equal to 2 into xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. This is equal to 2 into, because x is 1 I bar plus 1 j bar plus 1 k bar is equal to 2 into I bar plus j bar plus k bar. So directly we will get. Next, second problem. Second problem, if phi of x comma y comma z is equal to 3x square y minus y cube z square, then find del phi at 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. Next, this is the problem asked in examination 2020. The problem is 2020. See that how we can solve it easily. Solution: given phi is equal to 3x square y minus y cube z square. So grad phi is equal to del phi is equal to I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z is equal to I bar into dou by dou x of 3x square y minus y cube z square plus j bar into dou by dou y of 3x square y minus y cube z square plus k bar into dou by dou z of 3x square y minus y cube z square is equal to I bar into, with respect to x differentiation, is 6xy. This is 0 minus j bar into, with respect to y differentiation, is 3x square minus 3y square z square. This is plus j bar into plus k bar into, this differentiation is with respect to z. So this is 0 minus 2y cube z. Next, at 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma del phi is equal to I bar into 6 into 1 into minus 2 plus j bar into 3x square means 3 into 1 square minus 3 into minus 2 whole square into minus 1 whole square plus k bar into minus 2 into minus 2 whole cube into minus 1 is equal to minus 12 I bar, and this total simplification is, this is 3 and this is 12 minus 12. So that 3 minus 12 is minus 9 j bar. Next, this is 2 cube is 8 into 2 minus 2. There is minus 8 into minus 2. This is minus into minus into minus. It is again minus, so that 16k bar. 16k bar minus 12 I bar minus 9 j bar minus 16 j bar. Next, in third problem, if phi of x comma y comma z is equal to x square y plus y square z plus z square, then find grad phi at the point minus 1 comma 2 comma 1. So this is the problem asked in 2017. See that is the solution for this problem is the simple one. Solution: given phi is equal to x square y plus y square z plus z square. Grad phi is equal to del phi is equal to I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. This is equal to I bar into dou by dou x of x square y plus y square z plus z square plus j bar into dou by dou y of x square y plus y square z plus z square plus k bar into dou by dou z of x square y plus y square z plus z square is equal to I bar into, with respect to x differentiation is 2xy plus j bar into, with respect to y differentiation, it is x square plus 2yz plus k bar into dou by dou z means here is there y square plus 2z at minus 1 comma 2 comma 1. Grad phi is equal to I bar into 2 into minus 1 into 2 plus j bar into minus 1 whole square. This is plus 2 into 2 into 1 plus k bar into 2 square plus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 4 I bar. This is minus 1 whole square. So 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 5 j bar plus 6 k bar. So minus 4 I bar plus 5 j bar plus 6 k bar. Next, seventh problem. If phi is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, then find del phi and mod del phi at 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. So this problem you take to homework, because just you have to find del phi and then mod del phi, whereas mod del phi is nothing but root of del phi dot del phi is equal to, as answer for this is, answer is to be minus, it is del phi is equal to minus 3i bar plus 9j bar plus 15k bar. So here is root of minus 3 whole square plus 9 square plus 15 square. It is to be 3 root, it is root of 9 plus 81 plus 225 is equal to root of, this is 90, this is 215, this is 275, 3 315, or otherwise this value is to be 3 into 35, that is mod del phi. You do this problem, the simple one. So thank you very much. A few more problems that we will see in the next lecture. Just you have to take the partial differentiation of the phi function and put that x, y, z values as the point is given in the problem.